फ्रेंड्स नमस्कार। आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल MS न्यूज़ 2019 में एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, PM मोदी जी को एक पत्र लिखा है, इंग्लिश भाषा में वो इस प्रकार है। तो दोस्तों, अपडेट की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, यदि आप हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार विजिट करें तो दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा और पास में लगे बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिएगा, जिससे कि आने वाली हर लेटेस्ट अपडेट आपको मिलती रहे। तो दोस्तों बढ़ते हैं अपडेट की ओर। रेस्पेक्टेड सर, we EPS 95 pensioner bringing to you the following points for your immediate decision, which will favor many poor old aged pensioners like me. As per recent Supreme Court orders, written number of letters to the concerned PF office for revision of pension amount, but there is no reply. Sir, if you act immediately on this subject matters and find the way to solve this problem will help about 60 lakhs of pensioners and more and to their family and children, which comes to about 20 crores. Out of these 20 crores of voters, in my opinion, about 90% of people have already voted and elected your government by only seeing you. I, Sri Narendra Modi, with having faith and love and affection. Yes, we are old and few are very, very old, and we do not know when the God will call us. We are not able to enjoy the cream which has to enjoy in this age, and against our sincere long years of service we did. There is a proverb that when God gives some things Pujari will not permit. Sorry to say this, sir. It is a fact that there are few government official wrong guidance and court judgment which are playing with old age pensioners and make us sleepless nights. As there is no option for us, we are approaching you as a senior citizen of India by this individual letter, thinking that you will definitely intern the subject matters and do justice to all the as pensioners before we have leave to God's place. Request to please read the following and you will understand the situation. The Supreme Court has given 3 judgments in favor of EPS 95 pensioners and 10 appeals of EPFO to allow pension on actual salary after collecting the differential PF contribution along with interest from the pensioner who is willing to opt for even after retirement irrespective of cut-off date. At present, our EPS pensioners are getting measure pension of Rs 1000 to 2500 only, despite serving 30 to 40 years in PSUs for the development of country, despite of making pension contribution in the serving period. The minimum pension is fixed as only Rs 1000. The present government is doing a lot in the name of welfare measure by forgetting the real welfare measure to the poor old age EPS 95 pensioners despite the legal validity of the EPS pensioners. For awareness, the issue has been taken up thrice in the parliament by Sri N.K. Premchandran ji MP and 27 MPs supported the private bill. Every time the assurance being given by the Moreland in the parliament to the justice to the EPS 95 pensioners, but nothing has been done to the poor oldest EPS pensioners so far in the last 4.5 years. Thousands of high court cases could not do anything. Hundreds of high court judgments could not do anything. 3 Supreme Court judgments could do not anything. Assurance of then more and in the parliament could do not anything. Lots of dharnas throughout the country by EPS pensioners could do not anything. Letter to the RPFC EPFO could not do anything. Letters to CVT members could do not anything. Letters to Moreland could not do anything. Finally, letters to you, Sri Narendra Modi, by so many associations and individuals also could do not anything these 4.5 years. Thousands of EPS pensioners have died so far due to financial suffering. Injustice is done to us everywhere. If anything comes after our death, what is the use of it? Therefore, we felt that this is the right time to express our feelings and get fulfilled our rightful and legal demands with you directly with this letter. Now elections are on the way for MP MLAs. People will approach us for votage. These people again come to the parliament assembly and sleep comfortably, and they do not even know about what is family pensioners. But they claim and draw pension by demand of them. Hence, sir, I am bringing to your kind notice as a elderman, as a well-wisher of you and to the party, with a request to enroll this matter and do justice to 20 crore of people. Expect something from your only other side. I suspect this letter also may be thrown by your staff without reaching you. Regards, EPS 95 pensioners. तो दोस्तों, मेरे द्वारा दी गई जानकारी पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें, और यदि आप हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार विजिट करें तो दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और पास में लगे बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे क्या आने वाली हर लेटेस्ट अपडेट आपको मिलती रहेगी। इसी के साथ जय हिंद, जय भारत, आपका दिन शुभ हो।